Namaskar friends, welcome to Vedic Gnan channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, like it and share it. So in this video, I am going to correlate the Dashavatar of Sri Mahavishnu with the theory of evolution of Darwin. So here all these are my personal views and according to my observation and my perception. Here whatever the comparison which was made with the incarnation of Sri Mahavishnu with the Darwin theory is my own thinking. Let us start the video. According to the Puranas, Lord Vishnu has 10 incarnations or 10 avatars. It is known as Dashavatar. Each of these avatars that appears in the world has different intentions and purposes. All these incarnations are made to restore dharma. In the 10 incarnations of Mahavishnu, first comes Matsya avatar. Lord Mahavishnu appeared in the form of fish to save Manu from Pralay. Interestingly, the fish was one of the first forms of the life. Evolution began underwater and hence it shows the significance of Matsya avatar. Next incarnation, next avatar is Kurma avatar, that is tortoise. Lord Vishnu bore the weight of Mandara mountain, Mandara Parvata, when the Devas and Asuras, they were churning Kshetrasagara for Amrit. So interestingly, if we compare it with the evolution, in terms of evolution, a tortoise is a creature that can survive both on the water and also on the land. Third one is Varaha avatar. So Varaha or the wild boar. In this avatar, Lord Vishnu fought a battle with Hiranyaksha to save the earth. So Hiranyaksha had drawn the earth away from the universe. Lord Vishnu scooped out the earth from the ocean of negativity with his tusks and thus he protected the earth. So as we compare it with the evolution, Varaha or the boar stays on the surface of the earth. It indicates the growth in the evolution graph. Next one is Narasimha avatar. Lord Vishnu appeared as half man and half lion to save Prahalad from his father Hiranyakashipu and restore dharma. Thus, by appearing in this form of Narasimha, Lord Vishnu showed how a various types of lives on the earth evolve. Next one is Vamana avatar. Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Vamana, a dwarf, to restore the three lokas, that is Patal Lok, Prithvi Lok, Devalok, from King Bali. So during a yagna, Lord Vamana appeared and asked king to give portions of land that he could cover the tiny feet. So King Bali agreed, but eventually realized that the little boy was none other than Sri Mahavishnu. So this avatar comparingly points out towards the evolution of human beings. Next one is Parasuram avatar. Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Parashurama to explain the duties of Brahmin and Kshatriyas. So he was the devotee of Lord Shiva and presented axe as a bone. If we compare it with the evolution, Parashurama's weapon, that is axe, it indicates the evolution of human race. So humans survived in the woods and an axe was one of their earliest weapon created for their survival. So next one is the Sri Rama avatar. Sri Rama took birth in Treta Yuga as a prince to kill demon king Ravan. The avatar also emphasized on the duties of a person over the self. Thus, if we compare with the theory of evolution, from the perspective of evolution, man moved away from woods to form a civilized society. Next one is Krishna avatar. Sri Mahavishnu incarnated as Krishna not only to kill comes but also to help humans evolve as a society. By showing his Vishwarupam to Arjun in the battle of Kurukshetra and giving him Hitopadesha, Krishna emphasized on the fundamental reality about his journey called life. If we compare in terms of evolution, the avatar of Krishna highlighted the strength of human intelligence. Next one is Balarama avatar. So Balarama, who also regarded as an avatar of Sheshanag, is believed to be a 8th incarnation of Sri Mahavishnu. As the name suggests, Bala denotes the strength and he is associated with the plough used by the farmers. From the perspective of the evolution graph, Balaram Avatar focused on the importance of agriculture. The 10th and last avatar of Sri Mahavishnu is Kalki. It yet to be appear. It is expected to arrive at the time when the world witnessed the darkness side of humanity. Kalki will appear to uproot adharma and sow the seeds of new civilization to mark the beginning of new yuga. According to Puranas, these are the 10 incarnations of Sri Mahavishnu, that is Dashavatar. So friends, for many more interesting videos, please click on the like button, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jai Hind. Dhanyawad. Hare Krishna.